This time mga kakusina, we are going to make a tutorial on how to bake an easy carrot cake with condensed milk. First of all, we are going to show you how to make a substitution for buttermilk since we don't have it. Then again, what does buttermilk do? Buttermilk will help the cake rise quicker and it gives a tender texture to the bread. To start mixing, we can start with adding the 2 cups of flour followed by 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and 2 cups of finely grated carrots. Now this one is optional. If you want to add more ingredients like nuts, raisins, or dates, you can chop it and add it to give more sweeter taste. Now start adding the liquid ingredients, starting with a substitute for buttermilk, 1/4 cup of olive oil, or you can use vegetable oil also, 15 milligrams of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, and lastly, the 300 grams of condensed milk. Now that you have all your ingredients, you can start mixing. You can do it manually or you can use a mixer. But be sure not to overmix. While mixing your batter, you can start preparing your baking trays. Either you grease the pan or use a baking parchment. After mixing, it's time to pour the batter into the baking tray evenly. Let it rest for about 15 minutes while you are going to preheat the oven. Preheat the oven to 250 degrees and let it cook for about approximately 20 minutes. And it's done. I decided to flip the cake for an even surface. If you decide not to put an icing or decoration on top of it, this is a better way to get a better presentation. Now you can cut the cake and have a yummy and delicious carrot cake. For more videos and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Kusina de Asia.